Okay, everyone, this video I would like to share to you about the tutorial how to make wall shelf, bookshelf with built-in bench. Okay, first of all, you have to make a wall for the first. You have to make an existing wall with any thickness right here. Then you have to push it up. Sorry, I'm sorry, it's getting trouble. You have to make it again. You have to make it with any thickness. For example, it 150 millimeter, right? And then you have to push it up around 3 meter, right? And after that, you have to make it group, and then you have to make a rectangle for the floor right here. Then you have to push it down to make any thickness with and then you have to make it group anyway. And after that, you have to make basic pattern of the bookshelf, book wall shelf anyway. Then you have, and if you think it's too narrow, you have to make a extent of this wall with select just on the area, and then you have to push it on the right side of or left side. And absolutely you have to also adjust the floor length. Then you have to make a pattern, basic pattern with circle, or you have to make basic pattern with rectangular. For the first, you have to make with rectangle or rotated rectangle anyway. Okay, you can make the wall shelf with any thickness, and then you have to push it to the front around 400 millimeter like this, and then you have to make it group. And after that, you have to duplicate this object with a move and press Control, and you can position it. You can duplicate it with any position, something like this anyway. Okay, maybe this is just for example, just a simple example to moving one object to be a multiple object, something like this. And after that, you have to make a circle. You have to make a circle with this tool, and you can position it on your desired position anyway. You can make more smooth by typing 100s and press enter, right? And then you can adjust this position by select all this basic shape and press move, and you can position it on this area maybe. And after that, you have to offset it inside right here. It's around maybe for 50 millimeter approximately. Then you have to erase the unnecessary object like this, and then you have to push it over the wall shelf cabinet, something like this. You have to make it extra beyond the wall shelf. And after that, you have to delete some unnecessary object with this line. I'm sorry, you can move this. You can move and duplicate this circle to another place, something like this. So it would make different vibes of the design anyway. You can move it on left more, okay, something like this. And you can make another shape of the bench area like this. Okay, and after that you can make it to be exploded. You can make it to be exploded for the first. Okay, and after that you can copy this basic pattern by click just all on this area and just edit, copy, and then you can edit, paste in place on this area, so it will be automatically paste by this place before. Then you have to make it touch the self cabinet right here, and after that you have to make it group. I'm sorry, you can continue to editing to do the same method on this area by select this line, by select this pattern and copy, and then just paste in place, and after that you have to move it to the back until touch the wall shelf, and you just do the same method with this, and paste in place and just move it to the back until touch the wall shelf. Now and after that you have to select it all by left click, by triple left click right here, and then just make it group, and then you have to select and press hide and rest of model, so you can see the subtraction position of this wall shelf anyway. And after that you can push it to the back until it getting lost. Okay, you can push it back until it erase, something like this. Okay, and you can push it back again. Okay, and you can see the difference between before and after. Okay, you can see the difference right this, so it will be create subtraction between a circle and wall shelf, and after that you can after that you can make a cushion of this page area with a circle, and you can position it on center of the circle like this. You can touch the perimeter line of the circle, then it will be automatically show to you to position it to the center position, something like this, and you can touch this inner line of the circle anyway, something it will be appear after you finish draw the circle just now. Then you can offset it inside with the width of the cushion as you want is. Maybe you can type 80 millimeters for the thickness of the cushion, and just erase the unnecessary plane in this area. And after that you can adjust the rotation of this bench area. Maybe you can select the desired cushion, maybe it's something like this, then you can delete some unnecessary plane as you want or as you need only. You can delete off each cushion anyway, and you can also make the corner to be more smooth with 2-point arc as usual. I had been show you about a tutorial from the previous videos of me in this channel, and you can also see it Okay, and you have to push to the front, something like this. You can push to the front with a more extend cushion beyond the limit of this circle bench. Okay, and after that you have to make it group, and you can see the difference anyway. And if you feel if you draw the same size of this third of this triple circle, you can just only move this circle by the center position to another position of the center circle and the right side circle, something like this. Okay, it will be multiple movement with selecting the object and press Ctrl to duplicate it. And after that you can add some material, which is you can add some material on the wall and on the wall shelf and the bench area, and especially is on the cushion area. Something I will give you example to assign the material. First of all, you have to assign the material on the wall. Maybe you can select some material, maybe something like this, and you can assign it. Okay, it look more fun material, and then you can add synthetic surface. I'm very like this material because this is appropriate for interior material, right? And you can also assign the circle with another material. Maybe if you like this material, you can try to share with you can try to assign with the another material as you want anyway. Then you can select the color of this material, and maybe you can select the color M03 material, right? Or you can select the more darkness color right here, and then you can assign the cushion material with fabric material in this menu. Then you can see, you can try to assign the material, and if you didn't like the color of the material, you can also edit this material with the color wheel, and you can adjust the color of the material. Maybe you will like of this material anyway, or if you wanna like monochrome material, you can just adjust this RGB tool and just move it all to the right or left side at all. You can see it, and it will be changed to be white material, and you can adjust the brightness and darkness in this color wheel menu. Okay, I think it's depend on your taste anyway to make it better. And now you can see the clash material. You can see the glitch of the both the circle and the wall shaft. Now I will show you that you can also delete this unnecessary material. You can just select this area and just select the push and just I'm sorry, you can delete this circle material for the first. You have to delete for this extended material for the first step. You can see it, and then you have to delete all of this extended material, like something like this. and now you can see the difference. You can just double click it, so it will be automatically follow your instruction. Okay, you can just double click, so it will be automatically delete, and you can see the another little material right here. Sorry, you can use a push tool. Okay, and now you can see the result. You can see the result is more better look than before, and also you can make another simple stair to give access to this bench, especially for the center bench. Anyway, you can arrange with your tools. You can use tape measure tool to make appropriate size of the step stair, right? Okay, I set the offset is 300 millimeter and the unthread is 170 millimeter, 150 millimeter. Okay, you can see the result. You can use a tape measure tool anyway. Okay, you will see the staircase, mini staircase, and then you can just use the line and you can follow the step right here, and you can just push it back until it clear enough, and you can see the result anyway. Sorry, you can delete the unnecessary line, right? And also you can adjust the material to be great material, or if you feel it too sharp for interior product, you can make it more smooth right here. So you can use a push to make it more smooth anyway. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope you learn a lot from this video of me, and if you feel doubtful about some part of this video, you can just type your question in the commenter. Okay, thanks for watching. Wait for my next tutorial. Thank you.